Now, here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, despite the risk of a strong or even severe thunderstorm tomorrow, a better part of your Wednesday features will just more of the same. Hot sunshine. I think any thunder more than likely after, say, 5 or 6 o'clock in the evening towards the very end of the day. Take a look outside in Providence. It is still well into the 80s, a very warm summery night. That humidity remains quite high after soaring to 97 degrees this afternoon. We're heading up into the mid 90s for tomorrow as well. Take a look at these numbers. Just incredible, including 97 in Providence. That broke the old record of 96 set way back in 1934. 97 in Taunton, not quite 100 in Hartford, but close to it. And Boston was at the 99 degrees as well. So we're keeping track here. We're 93 on Monday, 97 today. We're forecasting at least low to mid 90s on Wednesday. That would be 3 consecutive days of 90 or higher. That would make it an official heat wave. Now Thursday's a warm day. I just don't think we'll get to 90, and there'll be some showers as well. Still 84 in Providence, Taunton 81, mid to upper 70s along the coastline. Newport now checking in at 75. The dew points are way up there, upper 60s to even mid 70s, just indicating that very kind of South Florida-like atmosphere, very high humidity, a lot of moisture in place. So the heat continues for one more day. We had a few strong thunderstorms in our northern suburbs earlier this evening, and we'll do it again tomorrow, very late in the day towards early evening, sometime between 5 and 9 p.m. Now, it's not storming that entire 4-hour block. That's just kind of the window of opportunity, especially areas Providence points north. In fact, I'll show you a map in just a second on that. In fact, what we're doing is we're tracking a weather disturbance that'll be dropping out of the Great Lakes in Canada. This will be swinging through. Will act on some of the heat and the humidity, helping to fire up some of so the severe the probability or the chances of not just thunderstorms, but severe thunderstorms. And it ranges on a scale from 0 to 5. So we look at the colors here of yellow and light brown, and that puts us at level 2, level 3. And the highest chance is right in here on either side of the Mass Pike. It does include a little sliver of northern Rhode Island. So while all chances have a thunderstorm risk tomorrow evening, the higher chance of something strong and severe would be further inland, especially Providence points north. So we'll be weather aware very late tomorrow afternoon and early evening. All right, let's talk about the temperatures. That's the other big weather story. And you can see the numbers overnight quite warm. This is 7 o'clock in the morning. Sunshine is already at 80. Notice inland areas are going to reach the mid 90s by 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, 80s along the shoreline. And then very late in the day, and there you go. This is between around 5, 6 o'clock in the evening. See blips of yellow and orange, perhaps a strong to borderline severe thunderstorm, again favoring our northern suburbs. Once we get beyond 9, 10 o'clock in the evening, most of that activity is fizzling out and it's gone. So for tomorrow morning, it is just hot sunshine initially in the 80s, heading up to the 90s as early as 10 in the morning. And here it is in more detail from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. And notice by very late in the day and towards the early evening hours, some of those scattered storms coming through. So boaters, be mindful of that. While the better part of the day is thunder free, keep an eye to the sky during the early evening hours. Another good beach day as far as heading to the shoreline tomorrow to keep cool. The beaches will be in the 80s, 7-day forecast. Humid, but not as hot on Thursday with showers. And unfortunately, the start of the holiday weekend looks unsettled. Much cooler on Friday and Saturday. Temps in the lower 70s. The chance for scattered showers both Saturday and 4th of July Sunday doesn't necessarily mean it's a washout, but the chance for showers both of those days. We're going to try to time those for nighttime. So check back with us on that. Another steamer scorcher tomorrow.
All right, Tony, thanks. We know you're the GOAT of meteorology, but this is